Welcome everyone! Here is how to use S Pen on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First of all, to release the S Pen from the phone, we have our charging port at the bottom, and then to the left is our S Pen. I want you to click and release the S Pen, so click release like this. This will partially eject the S Pen from the phone, and then use your thumb and your fingers to pull it out. It doesn't matter which orientation you put the S Pen back in, so I can pull it back in this way, or I can put it back in the other way. This will not damage the S Pen. Just make sure to click the S Pen back into place so that it's fully flush with the phone. Now when the S Pen is removed, let's talk about the features that are present. So S Pen for S25 Ultra has removed a lot of features that you would expect with the older S Pen models. I will cover the features that are removed at the end and alternatives to get them back. Let's first of all cover what features are currently present with the S25 Ultra S Pen. So first of all, pairing is automatic. You can see it's done immediately. That is because there is no Bluetooth in the S25 Ultra S Pen. It is completely plug and play. When the S Pen is near the screen, or if you swiped with it before, as long as the phone's unlocked, so it won't show when the phone's locked, but when the phone is unlocked, you will have the S Pen button, and you can tap on this one. This will show some S Pen features right here, and if you want to add the S Pen features or add quick toggles to open up apps, you can just tap the add button at the bottom, and then you can tap the minus to remove apps, and you can tap the S Pen features to just add them. They are self-explanatory, you know what they do. Now if I tap the S Pen button again, you will see the settings, and you can go into here to change your S Pen settings. You do have some shortcuts that you can use with the S25 Ultra S Pen. So if you see the cursor near the screen, and then you can just hold the S Pen button, and then while holding the button, if you double tap, so tap tap, you can see it will open up the Notes app just like this. You have to enable this in the S Pen settings, but if your pen is near the screen, you can see that icon. If you just click the pen once, it will open up the pen button. If we want to do that, we do need to go into our settings and then head into Air Command. And then what we're going to do is we'll turn on Open Air Command with pen button. It is turned off by default, but you can just, you see, there we go, the feature is working. Now, a lot of features have been removed from the S25 Ultra S Pen. The main thing is that the S24 Ultra S Pen and older has Bluetooth functionality. And what that means is with Bluetooth, you can use the S Pen far away from the phone. So you can see I'm not near the phone, but I can long press my S Pen to open up the camera app. I can, swipe in the air to change the modes, just like this. And I can tap the button from far away, and basically this can kind of be used as like a remote to take pictures. See, I'm far away, it's taking pictures. All of this functionality is called Air Actions, and it is being completely removed from the S25 Ultra S Pen. Unfortunately, Samsung have changed the S25 Ultra's design, which means you can't connect an older S Pen to the phone. So how you connect with older phones is you put the S Pen inside of the casing here, and then it will connect via Bluetooth, but you are not allowed to connect via Bluetooth the S24 Ultra S Pen with S25 Ultra or any of the older models either. You also can't click the S Pen fully into the phone. So if you do want the full Bluetooth functionality and Air Actions, unfortunately your only option will be to buy this device called the Samsung S Pen Pro. This is made by Samsung, but the problem is this S Pen right here is about this size, so it's actually larger than the S25 Ultra. You wouldn't be able to carry it around with you. You would have to put it in like a pocket or something like that. But this does have Bluetooth functionality. If you do want to, maybe take pictures from far away, you're on a trip, this is like a really important feature for you, then you can buy this S Pen. It's very expensive, by the way, but you can buy it. And then you can connect via Bluetooth. Just look up a YouTube tutorial, how to connect the S Pen Pro. And then you would be able to use all of the features that you would expect from the old S Pen on your new S25 Ultra. So I hope this video helps you out. I hope it clarifies anything. Now real quick, YouTube don't promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.